Do you guys see this beast of a machine right here? Oh, gosh. Look at the size of the spare tire. So on the East Coast, on the shoreline, which is where I'm camped, it's bright early. It's definitely happening out there. See? It's pretty. That's why I sleep with this. It's so much nicer to just leave my window covers off. Then I can wake up to this magnificence. Good morning. Morning, Greta. Any horses out there? Oh, stretch. It's a pretty good start to a morning. I'm actually just putting the clothes on that I had on last night. I don't care. I'm out of my bed. I just would like my bed to stay clean. Here's me, crap. Grabbing my other sweatshirt because it's just colder than I anticipated. It's pretty windy out. I don't know if you can hear it. It was kind of breezing through the fan all night. I could hear it. I don't see any horses. I kind of wanted horses to be like right outside my window today, but they're not. All right, my love, you ready? All right. Case, phone. Let's go. Here's another cool one. It has a big spaceship on it for NASA. Not sure, wow, not sure what kind of bus that is. An old one, I think. definitely reminded of all the downtime that exists when you're camping. Van life, tenting, especially tenting, I imagine. Who knows? You'd be putting together a lot of things as well. However, there is a lot of downtime, especially when your friends aren't around, or they're still asleep, or they're just taking their alone time, or you're just by yourself. There's a lot of downtime. In fact, just recently I thought, like, why am I doing the YouTube thing? Do I need to? Because I feel like I usually get out at the campsite or whatever I'm doing, and instead of enjoying it, I feel like, you know, am I missing parts simply because I'm recording? And then I get out here, I realize I do it because I'm bored. I'd forgotten that. I do it because sometimes there's nothing left to do. It's also a way to kind of memorialize on video, like, my camping adventures for me or for my kids or for whomever. So just gotta remember that the whole point is slowing down. It's not for everybody. I also realized last night that with this brew truck, the French press, that I'm not sure of how, like, once you smush the coffee down, right? The pusher downer, the plunger, is in the big part where your liquid is. So I don't know a way to get my creamer in there, basically, to mix it. So I thought I could use this as a cup, and you can if you don't use creamer or sugar, I suppose. You know? I put my creamer into this other cup, and then I do it. See how that goes.
So please do tag me on social media and use the hashtag #ILoveTalkingTudors. Now, on to today's episode. My wonderful friend, Dr. Owen Emerson, and I have teamed up yet again.
So because there's no 5G, there's no Wi-Fi. Last night was a little boring, and I'm left, I kind of have nothing to do this morning. So there's no Facebook, there's no Instagram, YouTube, there's no Netflix or anything on my TV. It's simply the little Roku stick, so it does need internet in order to find those other services, which I don't have. So I'm literally listening to podcasts right now on, I like history, I like European history, so that's what I'm listening to. I'm not sure what today will bring, quite frankly. We'll see. Of all the days to not bring my DVD player, this is the first time I haven't, because I thought I'd have my new TV. Just getting that ready. That's my new system. We'll see how it works. Maybe that's what I need to do. Maybe I need to, like, it's just such a mess. I don't like that. Maybe if you have like unlimited water and unlimited gray tank, you know, available to you, that wouldn't be quite such a big deal, but I feel like it is in fact a big deal. Like, look at this mess. Get my drying rack out. They're telling you no stopping. Oh, there's no stopping anytime. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Sophie's thinking right now, oh God, Mom, who did we pick up?
Why did you take me with you?
She's a little extra.
Yeah, it's okay.
The sun has come out, thankfully. It's still pretty windy, but the sun makes it all feel a little bit better. I did go and park in front of Walmart to use their Wi-Fi in order to download some Netflix shows so that this afternoon or tonight or tomorrow night, whatever it may be, I do have the option of watching something on my phone. Last night I was out early because it was dark and I was, you know, had nothing to do or watch. So I don't have Instagram or Facebook or Netflix or anything. And without all that stuff, it definitely makes a difference, unfortunately. Hate to admit it. So I am just going to sit outside and read. A few of the gals here just went into town, which is Berlin, Maryland. It looks really cute. It's where I drove through to take care of some things earlier. But a few of them went there to see what, you know, just to walk around a bit. And I passed because I do have Greta. I have my dog. And I automatically know that when I bring her, I may miss out on some things that the other gals are doing. I could have also taken the van and just left her in the van for an hour or so while I walked around. But just didn't feel like it, I guess. I was there earlier. It looked cute. It didn't look great for a van parking on the street. And honestly, I'm just hanging out. I probably should have gone, but you know, sometimes I have to make myself do things, and I'm sure I should have gone and I would have enjoyed it, but I just didn't. Some horses right up here. Let me turn you around. They want to get their dogs out of the way.
So I went to dinner and left my dog in the van for the first time ever. It went pretty well. I'm now back at the campsite and about to join in the campfire. That's poop from my dog. That's the next plan.